Welcome back MH Car Review, and today we are diving deep into what might just be the most jaw-dropping, head-turning, conversation-stopping machine you have ever laid eyes on. This futuristic luxury custom semi-truck that looks like it rolled straight off the set of a science fiction blockbuster. Whether you call it a truck, a dream machine, or just pure automotive art, this thing is in a league entirely of its own. So buckle up, because we are breaking down every single inch of this beast: exterior, interior, performance, and that price tag that's going to make your jaw hit the floor. Exterior. Let's start where every great reveal begins: the outside, and honestly, where do you even begin? The moment you lay eyes on this truck, the first thing that hits you is that pearl white body finish. It is not just white, it is a deep, almost luminescent white that catches light from every angle and gives this truck a presence that feels alive. Running through that white canvas are these sweeping copper and burgundy flame graphics that don't look painted on, they look sculpted into the body itself, like the designers took the energy of motion and froze it permanently into the metal. The front fascia is where this truck gets truly aggressive. Gone is any traditional grille setup you'd recognize. Instead, you're looking at a wide, low-slung front end with angular LED lighting that stretches across the face like glowing eyes. The chrome vertical grille accents add a premium, almost jewelry-like touch, and combined with those deeply sculpted hood lines, this truck looks like it's moving even when it's standing still. Moving along the sides, the bodywork is absolutely seamless. There are no unnecessary creases, no awkward panel gaps, everything flows. The cab itself is extended and aerodynamically shaped, tapering beautifully toward the rear, giving it a silhouette that's more supercar than semi-truck. The custom chrome spoke wheels are massive, polished to mirror perfection, and they sit flush under those aggressively flared fender arches. The LED tail light treatment at the rear continues the copper and red theme, wrapping around the back with precision. Every angle of this exterior has been crafted with intention. This isn't a standard build with aftermarket bolt-ons, this is a full custom ground-up design, and it shows. Interior. Now let's step inside, because what's under that gorgeous shell is just as impressive. This is not a work truck. This is a penthouse suite on wheels. The moment you open that door, and yes, those doors open with an automated, soft-touch mechanism, you're stepping into an environment that feels closer to a private jet than any truck cabin you've ever seen. The driver's cockpit is wrapped entirely in premium leather with copper and white contrast stitching that ties beautifully into the exterior color theme. Every surface you touch is either soft-touch material, brushed aluminum, or real wood trim. The dashboard stretches wide with a massive curved digital display cluster, giving the driver a full heads-up view of all vehicle data in crisp, high-resolution clarity. The steering wheel is a flat-bottom, leather-wrapped design with integrated controls for everything: cruise, multimedia, voice command, and it's mounted to an electronically adjustable column. The air suspension seating system in this cab absorbs road vibrations so effectively you almost forget you're in something that weighs tens of thousands of pounds. Behind the driver's seat, the sleeper area is an experience unto itself. We're talking a full-sized bed with memory foam mattress, ambient LED mood lighting with customizable color temperature, climate-controlled storage, and a rear entertainment system. There is a small galley area with refrigeration, premium audio running through the entire cab, and sound deadening so thorough you'd swear you were in a recording studio. Performance. Under that stunning hood lives the heart of this machine: a custom-built high-displacement diesel power plant, tuned and modified to deliver in the neighborhood of 700 to over 1,000 horsepower depending on the specific build configuration. That we're talking torque figures that are absolutely monstrous, the kind of numbers that let this truck pull virtually any load while still maintaining a cruising speed that would embarrass most highway vehicles. The drivetrain has been upgraded with a high-performance transmission and custom-calibrated electronic control modules that manage fuel delivery, turbocharger pressure, and exhaust flow with surgical precision. Air ride suspension across all axles means the ride quality is smooth and controlled, keeping this massive machine planted on the road at all times. The braking system features upgraded heavy-duty discs all around with electronic stability control, automatic traction management, and a fully integrated safety suite. Despite its enormous size, this truck handles with surprising confidence and authority. Price. Now here is the number you've all been waiting for. Custom trucks at this level of craftsmanship, This depth of engineering, and this standard of luxury do not come cheap, and they are not meant to. A build like this, depending on the specifications chosen, the powertrain upgrades, the interior finish level, and the custom bodywork, will run you anywhere between $500,000 and well over $1,000,000.1 million for a truck. But when you really look at it, you begin to understand that this isn't just a vehicle. It is a rolling statement. It is a piece of moving art with a heartbeat. So there you have it, the ultimate luxury custom semi-truck reviewed from bumper to bumper. If you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and make sure you're subscribed to MH Car Review because we are just getting started. See you in the next one.